Hey everyone, we recently updated the website to make it more mobile friendly. This that we're looking at here is what the website looks like when you go to the home page on your phone now, at least on iOS. I don't have an Android, so I've been able to test that, but it should look decently presentable. The menu, you can get to your trade tools on this on your phone. If you go to the trades list page, it's really been optimized for your phones. You'll be able to see all your trades. They're summarized and a very narrow format, so you can still make it out on your phone. If you click one of these to open it up, you'll see all the same information that you see on the web browser on your computer. Uh, Obviously, it's a single column with everything in it instead of spread across the page. But you can even you can still edit your trade. You can add tags, notes. You can still type them in on your phone. The chart is still visible, and you can zoom in, zoom out, just like you can on the browser. Um, your ticket details are still there. There are fewer columns on the phone because there's just not enough width to provide all the information regarding the ticket. And you can add images from your phone as well. If you click add, that should open up your dialog on your phone for choosing a photo or a screenshot from your phone. So those options are available um, on your phone. And let's see, most of the chart pages work pretty well on the phone as well. Not all of them. That still working on the dashboard page. Um, Mostly the pages look decent, though. I say that they're loading. They're there. All right. Well, that's it. We hope you enjoy being able to use the application a little bit more on the phone, and we'll see you later.